Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco, and Porvorim.
Bhau was not an individual. He was an institution. Individuals go, institutions don't. भाऊंना मी भेटलो गोमंतक मराठा समाजाच्या कार्यालयात. प्रार्थना समाजजवळ ते 2 हत्ती आणि इम्पिरियल थिएटर आहे त्याच्या बाजूला याचं कार्यालय होतं. आणि त्याचं कारण असं होतं की गोमंतक मराठा समाजाकडनं मला स्कॉलरशिप मिळायची. SSC मध्ये सेकंडरी स्कूल सर्टिफिकेट एक्झाम I had stood 11th among 135,000 students, and therefore I was felicitated by him in a not a formal big function. And I still remember, I was म्हणजे मी बराच हडकुळा होतो, not like potbelly that I am now. And when I saw his magnificent figure, I must tell you, Pramodji, I don't know sort of how I felt. And what he said at that time, I still remember. He said, खूप शिक, मोठा हो आणि गोमंतकाला तुझा अभिमान वाटला पाहिजे असं काम कर. आणि आत्ताच गोमंत विभूषण कला मंदिरात मला 30 मे 2013ला मिळालं, म्हणजे जवळजवळ 10 वर्षापूर्वी. त्यावेळी मला त्यांची आठवण झाली. म्हटलं मी काहीतरी केलं असणार ज्याने, त्यामुळे तुम्ही माझं कौतुक केलं. The most powerful equation is E equal to F. Education is equal to future. As simple as that. And that is exactly what Bhausaheb did. The power of equation E equal to F. Then you said you have done only half the job. You have proposed the equation, but you have not proved it. The fact that I am here is the proof of that.